living underneath it. That's what I'm afraid of. Hey guys, just stumbled upon a 56 Chevy Belair 2-door up here in the hills of southeastern Kentucky. Not much left of it, as you can see. Get around to it. Hopefully nothing's living in it, under it, or anywhere else. Not much backstory on the old car. Guy wrecked it and just threw it up here in the woods. It's been pushed over with a bulldozer. You can see the tail light, quarter panel. Looks to appear to be an original green. Well, it was repainted green and white. Looks like it was red at one time, maybe red and white. Just making sure nothing's living underneath it, because you never know. I'm gonna climb over this log, so you guys bear with me just a second. See the rear end's under it. Somebody took the third member out. There's not much left of it. I guess 40 some years ago, it wasn't worth anything, so somebody just trashed it. Emblems, molding, all that stuff's gone. She took a pretty hard lick somewhere along her life. Oh, let me get back up to the top side. You guys can check her out a little bit. See the steering wheel still in it. I'm actually standing on the roof. See the dash still in it. Pretty cool find up here in the hills of eastern Kentucky. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you another day with some more cars and barn finds and junkyard finds.